We will be taking a short ride up and down Alstom's Derby test track. For safety reasons, please remain seated at all times and enjoy the ride.
That is only joking. We're taking a short ride. Oh, I hate that livery. Not tornado. The Euro thinks non-stop. Oh, I hate that livery.
Centre. So there's a place by the Botanical Centre. This is the nursery now, I'm guessing. But around the front of it, it's all...
I said that with
Technical centre, that was...
No, that's part of it.
Is this part of the...
Yeah, the white building especially.
I thought that was the... I thought it was...
No, this is London Road here. I remember coming in the 80s and things were also something to still is to a degree, but there's loads of stuff. Yeah, look, I remember coming here with my granddad, and there used to be like a street opposite Dog Station, which was to the looking west. There was a proper road that tracks within. There was flower beds and everything. There was separate buildings. And seeing the APT people, the production APT, we went off for a test by say prototype HST computer. So that would be 79 and 80.
A little bit before my time. I have some pictures.
Yeah. Oh, right. Okay.
Please take your seats as the train is about to depart. Remember, for safety reasons, remain seated at all times. If you would like to see how the software for this train is tested, please visit the Train Zero test lab. See site.
What about that long one?
Well, everything's the same.
Who's driving at the back?
Alstom Litchurch Train, operated off the Elizabeth line. These modern electric trains are run by Transport for London and help hundreds of thousands of people travel across Greater London and every day. The train is owned by 345 Rail Leasing Limited, a group comprising Equitix, SME Leasing and Angel Trains.
Oh, what's moving?
The spinniness on the turntable.
Things in it, isn't it?
Yeah, some of them look like they've seen better days.
Bit of TLC. I went from Bristol to start at Lemon Woods last week.
I think it's
My brother lives in Westbury and everything like that.
as much as people
But
generally don't like them. They're very reliable.
They're not. Yeah, they have that. I don't mind them as long as they're not overcrowded. That's a good one. Really?
Just not enough.
I don't know why it's stopped.
Sometimes the public are most about
Is it? Is it? No, it didn't stop for an issue. No, we're not. We're not.
I have been here when I've been to yeah, we've got to fix all of them quick. There's nobody else on board. Yes. We're going to get good speed.
But we're going back the other way. Like 3 times.
It is, yeah. It's amazing. That's quite near the road. There's space down there.
This is a Class 305 Derbyville to Alstom Litchurch Train operated on the Elizabeth line. These modern electric trains are run by Transport for London and help hundreds of thousands of people travel across Greater London every day. The train is owned by 345 Rail Leasing Limited, a group comprising Equitix, SMBC Leasing and Angel Train.
IET, that's the people that make them. That's what
We're doing this
You can't really get a shot at the 33, can you? You might just. Yeah, that's where I'm going to head next. I did promise them all these. One of the shares.
I think it was the bottom end where it's like the railway area bit. Yeah. You know when they're doing the Class 93, you can pay the money. Like the next building, end of doorway, you go in the lots, and at the bottom.